the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone is loaded with next-gen AI, smarter software, and some seriously cool upgrades. If you're as excited as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps a ton, and I'll give you a quick reminder in about 20 seconds. Alright, let's get into it. First up, the home screen. Samsung's One UI 7 keeps things clean but adds subtle refinements. The app icons look sharper, and you can now hide labels if you want a minimalist vibe. The app drawer is still there by default, and long pressing icons gives you quick shortcuts. Stacked widgets are a game changer. Just swipe through them like cards. And if you're into photography, you'll love the custom camera widgets that let you jump straight into your favorite shooting mode. Now, here's something clever. Samsung split the notification shade. Swipe down from the left for notifications, from the right for quick settings. Multitasking is smoother than ever too. Drag apps into split screen or pop-up view right from the task switcher. And that edge panel? It's your secret weapon for launching apps in split screen or saving your favorite combos for later. But the coolest lock screen addition is the Now bar. Tap it for instant access to weather, music controls, or even live sports scores. Pair that with Now Brief and your phone literally tells you what's next on your schedule. AI is everywhere on this phone. Just say, put my phone on silent, and it's done. AI Select lets you analyze anything on screen, turn a photo into a wallpaper, edit out objects, or even create a GIF in seconds. Drawing Assist is pure fun. Sketch a rough idea and AI turns it into polished artwork. Live Translator? It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. And the keyboard's AI can rewrite your messages to sound more professional or casual with a tap. But wait, there's more. Circle to Search now recognizes songs. Just hold your phone near the audio and it'll ID the track. Gemini AI is baked in too. Hold the power button and ask it to draw, write, or even plan your day. Cross-app action is mind-blowing. Ask Gemini to find restaurants near an airport and save them to notes, all in one command. Over in the gallery, Generative Edit lets you remove photobombers or resize objects like magic. And for videos, AI can clean up windy audio or generate extra frames for silky smooth slow motion. Gamers, you're covered. The Gaming Hub shows real-time performance stats, blocks notifications, and even links to Discord. For productivity, Dex Mode turns your phone into a desktop when you plug into a monitor. Security's rock solid too. Secure Folder locks away private files with military-grade encryption, and the battery settings let you cap charging at 80% to extend lifespan. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech goodness.